Hello friends, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to learn 20 prefixes with examples. Try 3, tricycle or triangle, uni 1, universe, trans, across, beyond, transport, super, extra, superstar, sub, below, subway, semi, half, semicircle, re, again, review, redo, pre, before, preview, post, after, postpone, known, no, without, non-stop, miss, no, wrongly, misunderstanding, inter, between, together, internet, extra, more than, extraordinary, ex, former, ex-con, ex-boyfriend, dis, not, disagree, anti, against, antisocial, co, with, together, cooperation, for, prior to, forehead, n, into cover, enclose, not, unable. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.